Now, let's come to the main feature extraction function. Our sounds are in the time domain after preprocessing, but many patterns are still hidden. During our discussion with doctors, they said that wheezing is high pitched and pneumonia crackles are burst like.